Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. Today's video is on how to download and install Peloton app on your mobile phone, which is an app based on fitness workouts. To do so, follow some simple steps which I will show you guys. Firstly, make sure your Wi-Fi is connected. Now open your App Store or Play Store and search for Peloton. You can see the app here, Peloton Pro Review Go. Click on the download arrow to download it. It might take some time depending upon the internet to download. Here you can see the app has been downloaded. Open it and enjoy its features. Now the application is ready to use. You can use it by clicking on sign in and enjoy its features for your workout journey. So that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon for our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.